Well, hello, this is Jeff Perlman with Real Software, and I noticed today on the mailing lists and on the forums you guys have been talking a lot about web edition, and that's terrific. We love seeing that, and we love answering your questions and all the ideas you guys have. And one of the things that you've been asking a lot about is building web applications for mobile devices, such as iPhone, iPad, Android, that sort of thing. Well, you remember the video that we put up, the sneak peek? There was a database application in that video that showed customers, and you could click on a customer and see fields and invoices, that sort of thing. Well, that exact application you saw in there, unaltered, here it is, running on the iPhone. Now I've zoomed in a little bit so that you can see the screen better, but I can tap on a record, change the record. You can see the record changing over there, and if I'm extra careful I might be able to tap on the scroll bar. Yep, there we go. I think I got it anyway. So you can scroll, you can see that the buttons are the native buttons, etc. So there it is on the iPad, or on the iPhone rather, and it even will rotate and reconfigure the screen. So that's it on the iPhone. And here it is on, you guessed it, an iPad. Let me get a little closer so you can get a better view of it. You can see I can tap on different records. And in this case, it's easier for me to scroll if I just tap right on the, if I can get it. There we go. If, I can tap right on the scroll bar and I can scroll right to where I want to go. And you can see I've got a pop-up menu here. Now we're using the native pop-up menu, so if I tap on the pop-up menu, it knows that that's a pop-up menu, and I get the iOS list. And in this case I'm changing the style by selecting that, so you can see now I've got a blue color for my font. That's my cool theme, and then if I do it again I'll choose warm, and there's my warm theme. You get the idea, but that's a native control, so you get the native experience. So there it is running on iPad, and just like on the iPhone, if I tilt it this way, it reconfigures for the portrait view. So you really can build web apps for mobile devices right from the very first version of Web Edition. So that's today's sneak peek, and we'll have more in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.